Rolling coal is the practice of modifying a diesel engine to increase the amount of fuel entering the engine in order to emit large amounts of black or gray sooty exhaust fumes, diesel fuel that has not undergone complete combustion, into the air. A predominantly North American phenomenon, rolling coal is sometimes used as a form of anti-environmentalism. Such modifications may include the intentional removal of the particulate filter. Practitioners often additionally modify their vehicles by installing smoke switches, large exhausts, and smoke stacks. Modifications to a vehicle to enable rolling coal may cost from $200 to $5,000. Rolling coal is a form of conspicuous air pollution used for entertainment or as protest. Some drivers intentionally trigger coal rolling in the presence of hybrid vehicles to cause their drivers to lose sight of the road and inhale harmful air pollution. Coal rolling may also be directed at foreign vehicles, bicyclists, protesters, and pedestrians. Practitioners cite American freedom and a stand against rampant environmentalism as reasons for coal rolling. A concern is road traffic safety violations, as the black smoke can impair visibility, increasing the risks of motor vehicle crashes, and is a violation of clean air laws. In July 2014, the United States Environmental Protection Agency stated that the practice was illegal as it violated the Clean Air Act, which prohibits the manufacturing, sale, and installation of a part for a motor vehicle that bypasses, defeats, or renders inoperative any emission control device, prohibits anyone from tampering with an emission control device on a motor vehicle by removing it or making it inoperable prior to or after the sale or delivery to the buyer. California law prohibits operating a vehicle in a manner resulting in the escape of excessive smoke, flame, gas, oil, or fuel residue. Thank you for watching. Like and subscribe if you would like to view more of our videos. Have a nice day.